let's see if we can somehow generate an actual usable piece of information from captions generated from a transcript, generated from my voice from Adobe Premiere. So in the captions panel in Adobe Premiere, under the text window, we're going to hit export to, let's do a text file. Save it to my favorite place in the world, which is my desktop, and it's going to be called intro.txt. So let me open up this. Last thing I had open was my alcohol counting, calorie counting plugin, aka the Buzzkill plugin. Let's see, or the Buzzkill calculator. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just a bunch of time codes, junk. And I'm wondering, wow, that's a long text file. So if we're going to exceed a character limit here, this will be the way to do it. So we're just going to copy this right over into ChatGPT, which I believed that I had open, but now I don't. So let me just quickly get there. That's how fast we go. I still don't understand where my history is. It's just not coming. So not really thrilled about that. So can you turn this into a blog? This closed caption file into a blog minus all time codes. If the message you submitted was too long, baby. My Lord. Yeah. Wow. There you go. Boomzers. So, wow. So I asked it to just simply strip the time codes out. I didn't ask it to do anything else. So I don't know if it's just making one long sentence. I don't like this. Can you strip time codes out, but leave the line breaks intact? Let's see if we could get that done. Yeah, that's better. It puts the power of ChatGPT and DALL-E into the WordPress admin for content creation. Okay, now let's see what it comes up with, because I think it's going to be cuckoo. Wow. This is fascinating. So it literally just took my transcript, hodgepodge, bunch of mess and long, and made this. And it's actually quite good. Very impressive, I must say. All in all, that took a very short amount of time, and it's actually quite good at summarizing what I say based on my own words, not just spitting things out. A very delicate prompt, and that mess, that disaster, this disaster. Look at this. And just perfect. Wow. That is unbelievable. All right, well, there you go. ChatGPT and WordPress. And this is instance 3 of me using this application for something like directly that's going to help save my time and energy. Because within this demo, this is something that I've literally never done before. I exported captions based on a transcript, based on me talking out of Adobe Premiere, and I took them verbatim with time codes and everything in a text file and pasted them in piece by piece because of the character limitations on ChatGPT. So I pasted in 4 chunks of the code. I asked it to remove the time codes and keep everything on its own line. So this way I still had just like one long string of text. Total disaster. Every line that I said in the video, and then I asked it to take all of that mess based on a prompt and create me a summary blog post about this particular plugin, GPT AI Power, and writing and creating content in WordPress. And it even put in like the facts that I brought up, which is about how it's good, but it's not great, but it just said it like in a very eloquent way, as if I took this whole disaster and sent it to a writer. I'm sorry for the writers, but this would have taken hours with back and forth and deliberation. And I mean, like, well, mind blown again. Here we go. Continuing down the rabbit hole, ChatGPT, WordPress. Man, this is awesome. Okay, so hopefully you gain some insight. You'll be able to see this and all the transcript of this in the description of this video. And I'll put a link to the live version of this so you can see it and how it looks once it's been formatted properly and all that good stuff. Because again, you get text output. You still have to dress up and make it look good. Otherwise, it's just text on a screen. So here you go. Michael Baker Digital. Good luck out there.